Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting video. I am honestly still like in shock about it, and I don't know, it's just crazy to me like that this happened. And it might not be like a big deal to some people, but to me it really is, because one, I truly love this company and their products, and not only that, I really like the YouTuber behind this company. And you guys have already seen them on my channel before, and I'm sure you guys know her, but it's Tony Sevdalis, and along with her sister, and the company is CNC Luxury Company, and they, you know, specialize in jewelry, and I just love their products. I own quite a few pieces from them already. If you haven't seen my haul, my jewelry haul. And the exciting news is that they sent me some pieces that they thought that I would like, and it was so unexpected, and I'm just like in shock that they actually took the time to, you know, watch my videos, see my posts on Instagram and my stories, and then sent me some pieces. Like, that just blows my mind. Like, I've never experienced that before. Like I've gotten emails from other companies that reach out to me, and then I'd have to send them my, you know, information if I want to collab with them. But this is just entirely different. Like, they took the time to, you know, actually watch my stuff and, you know, hear what I had to say about their jewelry pieces, which I honestly still really love. I'm still wearing them. I've been wearing them like over the holidays especially, and they actually like sent me some pieces. So it's funny because I remember I have the shop app so I can track my packages, and there's this package that was being sent and I had no idea who it was from. Like, I was trying to figure out if I ordered something, but I was like 99% sure I didn't. Maybe it was a gift from someone, like someone I knew. But I was like all the way in Colorado at the time, so I wasn't able to, you know, open it until I came back on New Year's. And so rather than just like explaining how my reaction was, I'm going to insert the clip of me opening this package, because for some reason I don't know why I recorded it. I was just kind of really curious to see what it was and just wanted to capture the moment. So I'll insert the clip right now. Oh my gosh!
What?
They sent me free jewelry.
Who did?
The company I've been buying jewelry for.
They sent you?
Because I posted them and I really like their stuff. They said, "Thank you so much for your kind words and support. We appreciate all your feedback. We made you a little box with some pieces we think you would like."
Wow.
What? What did they send me? They sent me some scrunchies. Nice. I've always wanted their scrunchies. Oh, I think they're supposed to come in this. That's cute. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. What else? Ooh, a silk mask. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm sorry I look like a mess right now. I just came home, and like, we just came home from Colorado, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, I don't even know what to open first. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, this is so surprising. Ooh, this is a new one. I am so shocked. There's another one. This was on my wish list. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I can't believe this. I'm literally in shock. What a great way to start the new year. They gave me a necklace that's been on my wish list.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, this never happened before.
I'm happy for you.
I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I can't wait to showcase these pieces. Thank you. Okay, so that was obviously me like generally first time opening it. I was super exhausted because again, like we just flew in from Colorado, and we were also like unpacking the same night that we came home. So, but I really just wanted to get into it and open it because I've been waiting for like over a week to see what it was. But I just want to say overall, thank you so much to CNC Luxury Company for sending me those pieces. And I'll get into a little bit more in depth of the pieces that they sent me. And overall, I'm just so thankful. And it was just such a great way to start 2022. So let's get into it. So this was the box that you guys all saw. And I was really surprised because I saw their little sticker. And so I thought that someone, you know, sent me something from my wish list, like Elfster. That's what I mean when I say wish list. I've been using Elfster. But no, like it's just, once I saw this note, which I'll read to you guys, I'm just, anyways, it says, "Dear Chelsea," and they spelled my name right, which is awesome. "Thank you so much for your kind words and support. We so appreciate all of your feedback. We made you a little box with some pieces we think you would like. Happy holidays and all the best in 2022. XOXO, Tony and the CNC team." Oh my gosh, I will literally keep this note like forever. I can't believe it. Like, and it's handwritten. It's just the little things, you know, the little things that make it super extra special. And then I got two of their, I guess they call like motivational cards, but I really like these. It's "Let yourself fail and try again," and then "Wake up early, drink coffee, work hard, be ambitious, do what you love, and love what you do." So I really like their little cards that they include in here. And I actually made it into my background. So if you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but I just made into a background. So this was what I opened up to in the box. And I first saw the scrunchies, and I didn't see the ornament before because it came out, but the scrunchies were in here, and I absolutely love the colors. And it's this beautiful emerald, like royal green, so pretty. And then this, I want to say like a true white almost. But I actually have been interested in their scrunchies, and so I'm so glad that I finally get to try it. I love the material. It feels so soft and it looks luxurious. Then I saw this, which I had no idea what was in here. And when I saw it was a silk mask, I was super excited because not only I was also interested in this product from their website, I've actually always wanted a silk mask. I just never got around to buying it because I already had masks, so it's not like I needed it, but I've always wanted to try it, so I'm super excited to finally try it. I love the color. It's like a champagne white color, which is very beautiful, and it'll match any outfit. And then the two products that I was super excited for was the jewelry, which came in these little bags. And the first one, I love this color. I'm obsessed with like neutrals and browns and creams now. But the first ring that I got was this ring right here. So this one is the diamond naked ring, which you see I already have here. So I'm super excited because then I can stack it and I can like make it into a like large size ring, if that makes sense. But I honestly love this ring, and I like stacking it on top of other rings like my engagement ring. So I like doing that. Just makes it look so cute. And so I was really excited about that. And then this one I was also very excited because it's something new, and this is the, I believe this is the Deluxe Eternity Band in silver, and it looks like this. And this I love to use for stacking. I'll definitely stack it on top of my engagement ring, which looks really nice. It just makes it look so, like, it elevates it, you know what I'm saying? So I really like this ring. I'm so excited to wear it. And so that is the 2 rings that I got, which I'm just gonna stack all of my thumb. And then the next piece that I got came in this one, and this is the necklace. And it's so crazy because this is actually something that's been on my wish list again, Elfster. It's not exactly what I wanted. I actually wanted the, which one was it? Diamond shaped one in the letter C, and I wanted it in gold, but this is the one that they gave me, and oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I'm so excited to wear this. I love the thickness of the chain. It's just so pretty. Just so excited. I still definitely want to get the diamond shaped one in gold. That is what I have to show you. I guess jewelry related. I will show you another new piece that I got, and this isn't from CNC. This is actually from my aunt Sydney. She's one of my bestest friends. We literally grew up together since we were born. But this is the necklace that she got me, and it's supposed to represent like infinity. And she knows I've been wanting gold necklaces, so she got me the necklace in gold, and I absolutely love it. I've been wearing it every single day because it's so near and dear to me. But that is it for this video. Honestly, I was so excited to make this video. I definitely just wanted to make that announcement right on Instagram. But now you guys know what the announcement is. And again, I'm so thankful to Tony and the CNC team. This is honestly like a dream come true. And you know, maybe in the future we'll collab or something. I don't know. But I honestly do love their pieces, and I'm so excited to like get more. Like, again, like here's my Elfster list, which has a bunch of jewelry that I still want from them. And I guess, you know, just for fun, I'll let you know what I plan to buy. So one of them is the mini everyday hoop, and I'll show like the pictures on the corner here. And then the next one is the dream ring, and then the oval eternity band. So like this one, but I want the small version. And I want it in a size 10 because I want to be able to wear it on my thumb and my ring finger, or my middle finger. And then the next one I want to get is the retro oval hoop, and in gold. And then the heather ring, and like I mentioned before, the I thought I was wearing it, the esteem necklace in the diamond shape, gold with the C in it, and the nail bracelet in gold. So that's what's on my list so far that I want to get next. And I don't know when I will, but I definitely want to get those pieces to add to my collection. And yeah, that is it for this video. I just definitely wanted to make that announcement because it was something very special to me and huge to me. So again, thank you so much. I appreciate your time and attention and just everything. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know in the comments below what your favorite jewelry pieces are. Like, do you like wearing rings, necklaces, earrings? I want to know. And don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Have a great day. Bye.